bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan bàbá olóyin original. I am staying at Iyesota bàbá olóyin bus stop bàbá olóyin bus stop Iyesota. Don't forget, I'm the publisher of Onions in Medicine. This is Agbára Ìwòsàn Oyin, Healing Power of Honey. Healing Power of Honey. This is Ọ̀nà Àbáyọ fún Ìṣòro Ẹ̀dá, Solution to Woman Problems. This is the latest book, African Power. African Power is my latest book. Yes. If you need original honey, come to Iyesota, Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesota. Then don't forget about these roots. These roots, you can use it to reduce your sugar level. You are complaining of arthritis, rheumatism. This is the root for you. The name of the root, when you buy African Power book, you will see the name of the root inside the book. Yes. If you want to buy my products, you can go to Mushin, number 4 Alukola Street, Mushin. You can go to Bariga, number 36 Laje Road, Bariga, 36 Laje Road, Bariga, Atikoto Egbe. You can go to number 2 Femi Osobu Street, number 2 Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Market, Agodo Egbe. At Surulere, go to number 5C, Akerele Street Extension. Number 5C, Akerele Street Extension, opposite Power Holding, Akerele, Surulere. Today, I want to teach you, if you have a boy or girl that is bedwetting, what you can do. It's in only as a medicine book, but for the benefit of those who are yet to buy the book, I want to tell you, because there are some people, they have a child of 14 years, 15 years, that is still bedwetting. Even if the girl or boy refuses to drink water late in the night, he or she will still bedwetting. There was a case of a housewife that was bedwetting before. She came to me. She was bedwetting. Yes. And the husband set her packing because of bedwetting. But when she bought the book, I told her how she can control it, and she thanked God. If you have a boy or girl that is bedwetting, at the age of 10, you have a boy or girl that is still bedwetting, it's not good. Because if the girl or boy happen to be in no state in the boarding house, the other students, they will be mocking him that as old as you are still bedwetting. It's not good. So if that thing happens, just take one spoon of honey every night. 1 tablespoon. Síbí kan, 1 tablespoon of honey every night. After 7 days, the thing will stop. Yes. Don't forget all these my books, you can get them online. That is, you can get them on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. I can send them to you on your WhatsApp, email, Gmail, or on your WhatsApp if you are not around. But if you are in Nigeria, you want me to post the book to you, once you can pay for delivery, courier service will deliver for you. Courier service will deliver it to you. Don't forget these rules. If you have an aged parents, aged father, aged mother, they used to complain of backache, leg, rheumatism, arthritis, buy African Power for them and see the name of this root. If you are in Nigeria, you can pay for delivery. We can send this root to you. Yes, but there are some people, the same price you call it, they will like to pay the exact money. But what of delivery? They say, I think you have calculated everything. So that is why we don't encourage people. So don't forget my telephone number You can see it at the bottom of this video. My phone number is at the bottom of this video. My phone number is at the bottom of this video. Yes, the program you are watching is Kini Show. Kini Show. Kini Show. Don't forget to watch my sister station, Baba Oloyin Original. You will, if you just click to Baba Oloyin Original, you will see I have more than 80 videos there. And we have more than 80,000 subscribers there. Click it, you will see it there. So don't forget, this is Kini Show. Kini Show. Kini Show. You will see the phone number on the screen. Then at the bottom of this video, you will see the phone number there. Till next time when you hear me again, remain blessed.
Bàbá Olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.